AI bubble exploding and deflating? Well, even if it is, there are still plenty of big stocks out there that you can trade and give you guidance to opportunities that might be in other related areas of the market. So let's take a look at stocks that are S&P 500 companies reporting earnings on Wednesday, November 5th. So let's start here with HUM. This stock has been consolidating, and it would be a great place to draw some converging trend lines. I think a breakout above the October 28th high would be the best bet for a new move. Ticker BG. This one has been pulling back, but it's actually holding a great support area. So I'm going to talk about this in my workshop this week on candlesticks. That October 15th range is providing more than meets the eye. Okay, it's not just a big green candle. There are other levels of support and resistance that come into candles if you use my nano twist. But basically, while we're above the low from October 15th, potential for this to pop higher. All right, Bio-Techne, ticker TECH. This is giving a great momentum signal that's suggesting further upside and is valid while we hold above the October 10th low. I'll be going over setups like these in monthly group coaching. It's something I do every month for those of you who are in my foundational courses, and we'll do the math and see what the target is there. All right, Fidelity, ticker FIS. This is Fidelity National Information, not Fidelity like the bank. But this stock has had a gap lower and been consolidating, but it's already really oversold in momentum. So if you're short, I wouldn't be looking to add to any short positions here. I would look to protect them. And especially if it starts to climb back above the October 30th high, there might be more recovery ahead. All right, McDonald's. This has had a major consolidation range from January 16th to March 10th. That range has been capturing everything going on since. But notice it's also had red zone domination, right? The bear resistance, bear support really kind of shaping the story here. So I think there's not a lot of good things to say about McDonald's right now in terms of the stock. We could see a move back towards that June 26th low if bears push lower, fueled by earnings. Okay, Sempra, ticker SRE. This is a stock that has a great consolidation range, and it's bound by the October 2nd low and the October 8th high. What I really like is that when you have a clear defined range by a price high and a price low, then you don't have to do all this guesswork to figure out if the trend is going to resume. You just look for the first notches higher, which in this case would be trading above the October 29th high, and then you can start to build a position from there. This is also really well complemented with the RSI moving up from the bull support power zone after the past few returns to it. Ticker AEE, Amarin Corp. So this has another setup that I just talked about between price and momentum that is intact while it stays above the September 18th low. So I would watch for further upside while it holds that range. We've also got some candlesticks that are feeding into the action, and we'll look at if it can't get up towards the 110 area over the next several months. And ticker ATO, Atmos Energy, is doing the same thing. I absolutely love when price and momentum start to show you, hey, whatever the corrective weakness that's been in place, it looks like it's starting to fade and bullish, energy is returning. So let's see if we can't get a closing break above the October 30th high. That would be confirmation on a price action basis. You always want price action to confirm what you're seeing with momentum or anything else. And remember, candlesticks are a version of price action analysis. So looks like there's more room for upside if we can get above that October 30th high. All right, that's what I'm seeing on a few of the S&P 500 companies reporting on Wednesday, November 5th. So if you found value in this video, a reminder of a lesson about the market, some stocks to watch or more, hit that like button and I'll catch you in the next video.